Welcome back to my channel. This is Mike. Today is another day of review, and today I have BusinessBox AI, and this is from Yogesh Agarwal. In a nutshell, it's a brand new world first app that creates your own very set and forget AI platforms like JasperAI, Midjourney, and ChatGPT. And you don't need any developer to do this. No technical experience is required, and no BS is involved with this. And of course, this is going live today, the 23rd of October 2023 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York. And of course, it will be live for a couple of days, like 5 days launch, and that means at any time you decide to buy this product during the course of this review, that first link below in my description area will bring you to this sales page where you pick up a copy using this link. If you stick with me, I will take you to my bonuses, which are lined up to complement with this product, and then of course show you the pricing of this amazing AI software, which is going to create AI platforms for you like Midjourney, Jasper, and all the rest of them. And of course show you the very members area, the dashboard area, and definitely play you this video of this product in action so that you see what this stands for you. Now, if you stick with me, I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and use the bell icon for notifications. And I will be always coming by with reviews of different products to help you make money online. Now, let us take a look at some of the benefits you have with this amazing BusinessBox AI, which creates business platforms for you, and you'll be able to use that to strategize and make money online. It helps you create your own very AI platforms like Jasper, Midjourney, and ChatGPT, which you can use to prompt and sell to others, charge you customers weekly, monthly, or annually, and easily profit to up to 500 to 1,000 daily. And it has inbuilt 200 plus top-notch AI tools for maximum AI content generation and maximum profits. And you start your own very AI eShops and charge your customers anything you like. It's one-click domain integration is included in this, which means you can easily integrate your domains and launch your AI platform with one click, and you can start your own AI content agency and profit heavily selling AI contents on Fiverr, like images, videos, voiceovers, and more. And you can broadcast mass messages to your customers with inbuilt one-click autoresponder, which is integrated with all the autoresponding platforms like GetResponse, ChimpMail, and MailChimp, and Aweber. And you have one-click payment integration as well, and it accepts payment in your app through PayPal and Stripe. You get customers insight. You can track the number of your user registrations, content downloads, and everything else. And you can say goodbye to houses of creating your own platform from scratch. You can fire expensive AI coders and freelancers and say goodbye to all your expensive AI tools and services. It's beginner friendly, and you have lifetime access once you buy this within the launch period. And it has 30-day money back guarantee in case for any reason or without any reason you decide to return this product before 1 month. You'll be able to do so without any problems. And here are some of the 5-star testimonials from these guys who have been able to use this product as beta testers of this. And you can read for yourself when you arrive what they said about this amazing product from Yogesh Agarwal. And of course, you have 3 basic steps to get this done. Enter your domain after buying this very application, and then number 2 will be to customize, and then you customize your AI as per requirements by choosing its color and font. And you also have the number 3 step, which is to profit, and then you profit big by charging your customers 500 to 1,000 in monthly recurring payments, and sell high in demand AI content on Fiverr and Upwork for maximum profit. So these are the basic steps which are usually associated with softwares like this, and you can grab a copy anytime you arrive at the sales page using this very button. Okay, I will leave the rest of the reviews to you of the sales page, so that when you arrive here, you'll be able to take your decision and see if it is going to be for you. The good thing is that it is integrated with PayPal and Stripe, which means this app can generate you income directly to your PayPal account or Stripe account. And also you can click new domain integration. You can integrate your domain and servers and all the rest of them. You can take a look at this when you arrive here so that you see if it is definitely going to be for you. But as long as making money online is concerned, this may be an instrument that you may consider to get to create content on social media and to create platforms with AI that you can sell to others. Okay, so I will leave the rest of them to you when you arrive here, so that we can take a look at the members area and see if we can see exactly how it works when it is in action. And this is exactly the dashboard area. Here you have the create AI platform with this button. Unfortunately guys, I did not get the review access yet, and this product is going live in a couple of hours, so I decided to go ahead and use this very demo video, so which I'm going to play you in a very short time, so that you see exactly what it does. And with this you can create AI logo, platform user management, and lead management for all the leads you get from the emails you send to your customers through Autoresponder that it has inbuilt. And you have traffic stats, leads, offer and done for you swipes, and you have done for you edition and the rest of them. I think you have, these are the upsells in this area, and you have support in case you have any issues to take care of. Now let us take a look at this video of this product in action. After that we'll see my bonuses and the pricing, and we'll go from there. Okay. Yes, welcome back to my channel where I review IT products and training courses that are going to help you make money online. Now let us go and see my bonus page, and first of all see the pricing for this amazing product. The front end, which is this dashboard, goes for that $17. You have the unlimited version as OTO number 1 for $67. You have this one done for you, which is the OTO number 2. Everything is set up for you by the team. It goes for $147, sorry. And you have also the upgrade number 3, which is for $97. Upgrade number 4 for $67. Upgrade number 5 for $77. These are upgrades that are going to actually help you to maximize the profitability of this application with the platforms you're creating. And you have OTO number 6 for $67, OTO number 7 for $57, you have OTO number 8 for $147, you have OTO number 9 for $47, and OTO number 10 for $97. These are a lot of upgrades here which you can choose from, but I will recommend the unlimited version and done for you in case you don't want to lift your finger to do anything. Now let us take a look at the amazing bonuses that I have for you. My number 1 would be the Latitude, which is a training course on how you can make money using NFTs on blockchain digital art exchange for non-fungible tokens. You have also bonus number 2, TweetX, a Chrome extension application that is going to divert traffic from Twitter, which is called X now, to any offer or link of your choice. You have also Insurgency, how to master Facebook ads for affiliate marketing. It's a complete beginner-friendly training course on Facebook ads. And you have also number 4, the Lazy Traffic Sniper, which is going to give you access to free buyer traffic online through different sources. You have also the JavaScript Commission Bot, which is a bot application that is installed in your system, which drives traffic to make you up to 4 figures daily commissions. You have also the number 6, the lockdown formula, which is the very training that I started with when I started online, and it helps you start online afresh from beginning and then scale your business to any level of your choice. You have also the Commission Toolbox as number 7, which has over 1,000 links of different digital marketing tools that you have, like this very application we are talking about, BusinessBox AI, and of course you will be able to do all of that in one single dashboard. At any point you buy this product using this link, by clicking that first link below in my description area, it will take you to my Warrior Plus account where you buy this product. After your purchase, under your purchase history, you will find a page that looks like this. This green button gives you access to BusinessBox AI, and this blue one gives you access to these crazy and insane bonuses that I've lined up for you, which are still selling on Warrior Plus and you can't get them anywhere else. Okay, so I leave all that to you so that you see use that to make up your mind on this one if it's going to be for you. But for now, we are going to actually call it come towards the end of this amazing review for such an amazing product from Yogesh Agarwal, which is going to help you create your own very set and forget platforms that make money on autopilot for you. Platforms like Midjourney, ChatGPT, and JasperAI that can create any content using your keyword or voice command. And of course, it's going live today, the 23rd of October 2023 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And this is from my friend Yogesh Agarwal. And of course, by that time, you'll be able to pick up a copy for yourself. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell icon for notification. I'll be back to you in my next review. Till then, I remain your Mike, remaincombodyware.com, coming to you as always from here, and from me, from here, guys. It's goodbye.